Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. The mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. The name the kind I will share a video. Remember room so subscribe it. Now I share, now I like, no me notification bell, see the video by 2 on Sabeka. And we say banana mash kenkey. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box in ya three ingredients in the ewo. It is first said the over kenkey no e be good blend them. Now the 2 ripe banana aka ho. We are now the 3 tablespoons roasted groundnut ahead the account. Now the 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Half cup milk. Now the half cup water in so at the account. Now I blend it into smooth and creamy. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will put. Now this our banana mash kenkey. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.